at the next station.
This is my stuff now. So, this is my stop. Getting off here, Farringdon. Farringdon. Wow. So I get off here and I'm telling you, wow. I gotta get onto the circle. How do I find the circle now? Ah. I don't even know which way to go. Inner City, Hampton, Smith and Circle lines. This one is for the yellow circle this way. The yellow circle. Alright, thanks. Wow. Man, I got That's London. I'm gonna get off at the yellow circle and then I'll be heading to Great. Wow, look at this, my friends. Look at this development. This is old development. Way out. This is like a spider web here. Yellow circle. Ah, Elizabeth line. Oh yeah. Yellow circle. Yellow circle. Oh my days. Look at this. Totally lost here now, man. Trying to get let me see. Look at this map that I got here. Farringdon, and then I'm gonna go on the yellow line to get on the Great Portland Street. Trying to find the yellow line.
Oh my God, I want to find the yellow line as well.
Wow.
Let's do this together, yeah?
Yeah.
I want to say down those stairs,
Down here.
but I might be wrong.
Let's
So,
try and
yeah?
see. Wow, the yellow line.
Would you want the Huddersfield or Metropolitan?
I don't know. I'm trying to go to Great Portland Street. Oh. Great Portland Street. I'm trying to come off here.
Oh, so nearly there.
Yeah, but I came off down here. So,
I don't even want yellow, I want white. That is.
Great Portland Street is here. So how to get from here to here? Oh man.
We'll work it out.
I don't know. You're going the same place?
I thought I was, but I'm not.
Great
I'm
Portland.
going here.
Oh, you're going far.
Yeah.
So you're around here. So you're going all the way.
Yep.
Ah.
Let's sort you out, right? Let's see. Alright.
Wow.
Where are you going? Great Portland Street.
Yeah. Great Portland Street. Huh. And there's so many trains, if you get on the wrong one, I'm trying to go here, but they could take me all the way, you know?
If you go there, I'll go to your London, yeah.
And then I can't get back there.
Okay, transfer, Farringdon Station. You want the circle line?
The circle line.
No.
Let's do
Yeah,
it.
alright. So it is one of these.
Circle line.
Circle line.
Circle line. So down this way.
Should we just go and have a look? It's got to be
Yeah.
right for one bus.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, let's go.
And if I get you lost, I'm sorry.
Oh. I've been lost all morning, man. Telling you, I even got on the wrong train, had to get off before.
God, I hope you're going somewhere nice at the end of
Yeah.
this.
Huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Wow.
I wonder if they run trains here.
Ah.
Hang on, what did you want to say?
Yeah, the Circle Line, any train to Great Portland Street. I don't know how many of them goes there, but I don't know how many. Great Portland Street.
No one working today either.
No, today is what, Sunday, right?
I want to work for the train station.
Yeah, they should hire you. You're more helpful than them. They're telling me,
I'm not,
go
just
up
more
this
friendly.
way, go up across this way.
I'm just being more friendly. I don't know how to help.
Yeah.
Right, hang on. That's the
Exactly.
This isn't you. This is
None
going
of
to be
these.
me in 2 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'll probably have to ask someone then. I'll probably, because I don't want you to miss the train and then you.
Yeah, I have going to come on my train.
Yeah, because I'm much nearer than you. That's the thing. Great Portland Street. Great Portland.
I'll go after next station.
Okay.
I'm going to find a friendly looking face.
Appreciate the help.
Do any of you know where to go to get straight from Portland Street?
Great Portland Street.
I think it's the Circle Line, but there's so many that connect
The
here.
Yellow Circle Line.
I've been there as well, Great Portland Street.
Yeah.
Or have you seen any staff whilst you've been waiting here? Because we haven't.
I don't get a lot of stuff. Great Portland Street. From here. I'll have a look.
Great Portland Street.
I can't remember what it was.
What? I have to turn this off. I
Sorry.
don't even know if this is my train, but I'm getting on it.
Wow, you have to. Give it a, yeah, you gotta try.
Find this video, yeah. What you want to do,
Yeah.
from here,
Uh-huh.
station,
From right here.
yeah. So you're after the Metropolitan.
I'm at here, right? Farrington Station.
Yeah, Farringdon, yeah. So you got Farringdon, you want Metropolitan towards Amersham.
Yeah. Oh, so
Yeah, so you want the one in 6 minutes.
oh, from right here.
Yeah, yeah. You
And
want
then
the one
you're
in
gonna
6
go this way.
So, it will probably go that way, I would have thought. No,
This way.
But it'll come this way. Yeah, yeah. So it'll come from here. So you want the one that says Amersham. So you want
Amersham.
your one's in 5 minutes.
Oh, that one there.
Yeah, at the
Amersham.
bottom, number 3. So
All
after
right.
this train leaves, yeah, number
Yeah.
2 at Hammersmith will go to number 1. Your one will go to number 2. Then after Hammersmith train, you go to Great
Oh,
Portland.
got it, man.
No,
Thanks a lot.
Good
All
luck,
right,
mate.
thanks a
Enjoy
lot.
your
What's your
day.
name?
Sally.
Sally and Bjorn. Nice to
Bjorn,
meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
All right, then. Enjoy your day. Yeah. That's a nice lady there, man. Sally. Very. Sally. Great Portland Street, Amersham. So you see, my friends, you see, in a big city, people can be very, 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 very friendly and helpful. In a big city, my friends. Imagine that. So the next train, Amersham. Let's catch Amersham going that way. Yeah. So we're gonna get on the next train going that way. Amersham.
The next train to Barking will arrive in 1 minute.
Wow. So my friends, I was saying that
Metropolitan line, the
people
train
are
now
helpful.
approaching is to Hammersmith and City via Paddington. Please stand back from the platform edge.
People are very friendly in the city, man, London town. Yeah, but I'm telling you, I don't think I want to get used to this. Smith. That's Hammersmith, and I'm gonna catch Hammersham, not Hammersmith. Hammersham. I'm gonna catch Hammersham, not Hammersmith. Hammersham. That is it right there. Hammersham. Hammersham 6 minutes. Wow. So my friends, I'll be getting on Hammersham train in a while. See this train station here? Wow, look at this. This is like a web. If you don't know where to go, you'll be in trouble, man. Imagine me. Straight from St. Kitts and Nevis and lost in this train station in London town. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This could be the video of the title of the video, Lost in the train station in London town. Hammersham, 5 minutes away. That 5 minutes and I move tall, boy. 5 minutes now move at all, man. But Sally was a great help, man. Sally was a great help to me. I thank her. Thank her, man. And my friends, make sure to subscribe to my channel as we make this journey all around the world, man. All around the world. Great things are coming still, man. And subscribe. Hit the like button, like, and share it with all your friends and family, man. As we begin new beginnings, fresh start, new beginnings, fresh life, fresh beginnings, my friends. Much love, and I'll see you again in the next video.
Metropolitan line, the train now approaching is to Aldgate. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Yeah, I'm on my train right now. Just got on the train and I'm heading to Great Portland Street, my friends. Wow. Great Portland Street. You can see here. And Farringdon. Trying to get from there to 1 to 3 stops to Great Portland Street. King's Cross, Great Portland Street, my friends. Yeah, been a long day. It's been a long day. Just trying to eat something and relax, my friends. But see you once I get off this train. Yeah, my friends, we're approaching Great Portland Street now. Yeah, we're here, so just gonna get off. As you can see, my friends, this is Great Portland Street. And as you can see, this is definitely the heart. This is definitely the center of the city, my friends. As you can see the old brickwork here at Great Portland Street. It's a historic station. You can see this is definitely hundreds of years old, my friends. Look at this. Great Portland Street. Gonna get up, just sit down all around here. My friends, it's gonna go up Great Portland Street Station. Man, historic way out. Well, you can see this was built many hundreds of years ago. You can see this is well built. This is one of this famous London Underground, my friends. And I gotta walk 7 minutes to find my destination. I'm gonna figure it out because I gotta I wanna bust a leak right now, boy. I gotta use. You can see many different entrances. How you doing, brother? Okay, to exit. Oh, I gotta put my card there to exit. Boy, that's strict, boy. I gotta put my train card to exit, my friends. So this is the train card here. I just put it in this way. It comes up, and then I walk through. So you see, if I didn't have my train card, then my friends, I would not get through. Security tight, well developed, my friends. Yeah. Great Portland Street. So as you can see, my friends, we're in the heart of the city, but we're in the heart of London town. My issue now is to find my destination. Find my destination, my friends. Great Portland Street Station. Oh, and there's a Tesco Express right there. That's a supermarket. It's a supermarket called Tesco Express. And it's right there. And I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. But my friends, yes. This is quite a journey. Let me put this phone down to do some searching now, my friends, but you know, I'll be back. I'll be back.